Hi, this is Josh, pharmacist with Learn Blood Sugar Testing. I'm going to take a look at the Glucoracy G-425-2 blood glucose monitoring system. I picked this up on Amazon, paid about $22 for it. Included in the box, you will receive the glucose meter, a lancet device, 100 test strips, as well as 100 lancets, and the instruction and a quick start guide. Let's go ahead and start by getting the meter set up. We'll set the date and time. You will want to remove the battery door, and you need to provide your own 2 AAA batteries. So go ahead and install your batteries. And replace the battery door. Now there are a few buttons on the meter. This is the test strip eject button, and then on the other side you have an M and an S button. You want to hold down that S button until the screen flashes. Then you let off, and now it's prompting you to set the year. You press the M button to forward to the correct year. Once you're at the correct year, you press the S button, and now it goes on to the month. So same procedure, we press that M button till we get to the correct month. S button, now we're on to the date. M to get to your correct date. S will then take us on to AM or PM, and you can press M if you need to change that. S to go on to the hour. Press the M to get to our correct hour. S then to get on to the minutes. M till you're to your correct minutes. Then press S, and your date and time are now set. So we'll want to go ahead and set up our lancet device, which is of course what you use to produce a drop of blood for doing the testing. The lancet device, pretty standard. You've got the button on the back to charge the spring. This button propels the lancet forward to poke your finger. This is the lancet eject button. And then you can rotate the top to select the depth. I generally set it around 3 to get started, and then adjust from there if needed. So to load a lancet, you just twist the top off gently, and the lancet goes in the barrel there. Lancets are one-time use, so you want to use a new one each time. You just go ahead and fully seat that in the push it till it's in there all the way. Then you twist to remove it. That will expose the lancet. You can keep that top for when we dispose of the lancet. You replace the cap till it locks in place. Now that is ready to poke your finger. Once the spring is charged, putting that against the side of your finger will poke your finger. Now, okay, so let's take a glucose reading. You just need to take a test strip. You always want to ensure that the bottle of test strips is kept sealed and closed, except when you're retrieving a test strip. They do recommend that you use the test strips within 90 days of first opening the bottle. So you just take a test strip here. This is the end where your blood will be applied, and this is the end that goes into the meter. So you can just go ahead and insert that into the meter, and now it's prompting us for a drop of blood. So we want to make sure our hands are thoroughly washed with warm soapy water and dried. You can also use an alcohol swab if you would like to clean that area. For most people, warm soapy water is enough. However, if you use a lot of lotions and things like that, you may need the alcohol pad to remove any residue from things like that. Then I like to poke the side of the finger. Remember, our spring is fully charged. So we go ahead and poke that finger and gently massage the finger if we need to. And the blood is actually drawn up into the test strip. You don't want to try and put it onto the test strip. You just go ahead and touch it to the drop of blood, and it's drawn up inside the test strip. And there we go, 99 is my reading. And to eject that test strip, you can use the little slide there and then it's ready for next time. Now we want to get rid of our lancet, because again, those are one-time use, so we'll want to remove that. And what I do is just jab it into that top that we kept. Now that lancet cannot accidentally poke anyone, and then we can use the lancet eject button and then properly dispose of that. We can go ahead and replace the lid for next time. So that is the Glucoracy blood glucose monitoring system. Pretty simple to use. Go ahead and ask any questions if you have them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them for you. If you did like this video, I'd appreciate it if you'd like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.